Welcome to the vibrant and picturesque San Antonio Riverwalk, a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding cobblestone paths that meander through lush greenery and charming shops. Indulge your taste buds with a wide array of dining options, ranging from trendy bistros to renowned Tex-Mex eateries. Experience the lively atmosphere of the Riverwalk by hopping aboard a colorful riverboat cruise. As the sun sets, the Riverwalk truly comes alive with vibrant nightlife. Sip on craft cocktails at trendy rooftop bars, dance the night away to live music, or simply soak in the electric atmosphere of this energetic district. Join us as we explore this captivating gem, where the heart and soul of San Antonio come alive along the meandering river.